In this video, we'll show how you can use a view box to display the data from the current row in a list. In other words, the view box is being used as a lightweight, read-only detail view for the list. So you can see if we run the component now and we click on a row, we can see the view box over here displaying the data from the current row. So the way that this was done is, first of all, if we go to the view box, we can see that the view box data source is just set to data, and we've chosen static JSON, but we haven't even bothered to define any static JSON at all. We could define some static JSON, and if we did that, then when we went to the Fields tab, we would have a bunch of fields to choose from. But since we didn't do that, when we go to the Fields tab, nothing shows there. So then when we go to the view box layout, we need to choose the freeform layout. And here's the HTML that we want to use, and this HTML here contains placeholders for the fields that we would like to display. So then when we go to the list itself, you'll see that the list does not have the detail view turned on, but what we do is have an event in the onSelect where we take the data from the current row in the list. So this method here, this.selectionData, gives us the data for the current row, which we can get from just clicking more help, and you can see there it is over there. So we take the data from the current row, we get a pointer to the viewbox control, and then we call the viewbox controls populate method, and that takes the data from the current row in the list and populates the viewbox with that data. So again, going over to working preview, click on a row in the list, and there's the detail view being populated, or the viewbox being populated with the data from the current row. Thanks very much for watching.